What happens when tomatoes are buried in the soil? Let's take a time-lapse camera. Observe its process of change. Day 5. The skin of the tomato begins to wrinkle. Volume reduction. White mycelium appears around. These molds, bacteria found and invaded the flesh tissue of tomatoes. They use the organic matter in it, decompose into simple inorganic substances as its own nutrient. Rapid growth and reproduction. In the process, the acids and enzymes produced accelerate the rot of tomatoes. 20 days. Tomatoes have changed their appearance. There was no life in sight. I thought he would end his life like this, turn into soil. However, on the 30th day, and a miracle happened. The seeds in the tomato take root and germinate. Drilled out. Remove the rotten husks of the tomatoes. Found so many of these seeds, but only a few germinated. This tomato is bought from the supermarket. Now on the market, most tomato varieties are hybrids. If you take the seeds in it and use it to plant, that is, the second generation of hybrids, they have dissociation. This may lead to low germination rate, weak growth, and low yield, different taste, and other issues, unless you can make sure it's an heirloom variety. To keep seeds for planting,